are shelling on Captiva Island. We're just walking down this stretch. It's new to us. We haven't walked down this far. There's a couple shell piles here and there. A couple goodies here and there. Not a crazy amount, but I'll take that. That's a piece of a worm. That makes me happy. Piece of an oyster. So, yeah, a little quality over quantity this trip. A little slim pickings, but still a beautiful beach, and it's still been a great trip. This whole like high tide line is crazy. Do you see how it's like an inch high? It's not like that down there. So crazy. A little more buggy too. A little more buggy. This line right here is just broke up really, really bad. Oh wow. I see what Robert sees. Look at this shell line all the way up here. That's like, if I was in those condos, I'd be worried. That would be like a super high tide. This has got to be like the highest tide possible. That would worry me. Isn't this like a
People come out here, they come out, they go to the beach to watch the ocean. There's going to be shells up here, I promise.
It's 100%. Super high tide.
There's no doubt in my mind there's shells up here.
Super high tide.
Yep,
there's one right here.
There's one.
And there's one right there.
Is that one brown? No, there's a brown one. I just saw a brown one.
You saw a brown one? Okay. I just wanted to grab this real quick. So Robert saw a brown spiral.
Might be where you're standing, I'm not sure. Okay.
Alright.
Maybe that was the only one. I swear I saw a brown swirly.
Well, here, let me empty out my pockets real quick because it's kind of getting hard for me to bend down.
That might have been it, because I glanced and I saw it out of the corner of my eye.
All right.
Yeah, I guarantee you,
Yeah.
we found two already.
I just was talking about how like concerning this high tide is.
Yeah.
It's too very close. But we don't know how long this high tide has been here.
We got two good shells right up.
Yes? Pretty crazy. Ooh. Something stinky. Something stinky. What is that? Just a piece of a shell. They do. I'm just flabbergasted with the show line. got that high. I've seen a couple cool pieces of driftwood too, but I don't collect driftwood. But if I did, I've seen some people put up driftwood, which I think is cool. I don't. Sun is still setting. So just a bunch of little shell piles here and there. I feel like I've walked far, but I really haven't.